welcome back to our channel.
I'm Justin.
And I'm Kelsey. And tonight we have a video that's just interesting. It's a new video and I haven't seen actually anybody do this. A lot of people do like taste tests of certain things. But we are trying different things that we have not tried before or somewhat new things. So like these are new. I think these Pringles are new. This has been out for a little bit, but it's somewhat new. We haven't tried it. These at our Walmart, they have like these, like they have like Mexican candy and stuff. So we thought that'd be cool to try these. And this is new also, and we have not tried it, but it's also been out for a while. But we're going to just try it. So we're just gonna start with, I guess, whatever we decide to start with.
First I kind of actually want to taste one of these. See if I can.
Oh
no, these are not screwing.
Oh man, that doesn't smell good. We also got water just in case something tastes disgusting. Or we have a trash can over there if we need to spit it out.
I actually like mango, so I think that one's pretty good. And this one,
are we gonna try both of them at the same, like, together?
Put those over there.
It smells like apple cider. It smells good.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Oh man, guys, this smells so bad. It smells like throw up. Oh, it actually tastes way better than what it smells like. It tastes pretty good. It tastes like mango. Like fresh mango.
It does. It just tastes like mango juice.
So I recommend this if you have it at your store. It's a yes.
It's like, I think it was like $1.30.
No, those were like 90-something cents. But anyways, let's try this one. This is good. I recommend it. It's like Mexican, like, drinks.
That is super carbonated, but it's good.
It's good. I like it.
It's really carbonated.
Okay, I want to try these cinnamon bun Oreos. I don't like Oreos. I don't, but I'm going to try it in the video. Oh my gosh, they smell like cinnamon bun. Cinnamon rolls. Oh, they smell so good. Okay.
I think
Let's go.
really good.
I can't eat the rest because I don't like Oreos, but it tastes like cinnamon rolls.
Move that off to the side.
Oh wait. So if you have these wherever you live, definitely recommend if you like regular Oreos. If you don't like Oreos, you probably won't like them like me, but that's okay. Okay, what do you want to try next? I want to eat this last.
Yeah, it's like pizza jerky. This one intrigues me.
Okay.
It's Sour Patch Kids.
It's Sour
cereal.
Patch. Yeah.
So I don't know if it's like Fruit Loops or
I don't know, but I'm scared to try
Fruity
this.
Pebbles.
Because if this tastes like Sour Patch Kids, I would not recommend eating it. But this is what they look like. They're like real small compared to like on the box. They look super big, but they're really small. But
they at least look like they're what they have in the description instead of like.
Oh my gosh, you open it and it smells straight up like Sour Patch Kids.
Kind of a mixture of like fruity cereal too, like. Yeah, it kind of still smells like Fruit Loops or like Fruity Pebbles. Still has that like scent.
Okay, try it.
I'm gonna grab a couple.
Guys,
I have to clean it.
don't get these. They don't taste that good. It's like eating. It's like buying the Sour Patch Kids candy and like putting it in your bowl with cereal and eating it. Like, no, it's not good. Did you try it?
No. I still had the cinnamon.
It kind of tastes like Fruit Loops, but it has like this sour.
I'm down with it. I like it. I'll actually eat this.
I don't recommend. Justin recommends. I don't recommend.
It's probably more of a guy cereal.
But this is a no. Nope.
Like Fruity Pebbles, just with like a hint of sourness.
These I'm excited for because these should taste good. Because Pop-Tart cereal, like, who doesn't want that? So, ooh, they smell so good. Okay, so this is what they look like. They look like little Pop-Tarts. And they have, like, I don't know if you can see because the lighting's kind of bad right here. But they have, like, little specks on it. Yeah, there you go. And then they have...
This one's actually pretty amazing.
Red, like, jelly stuff in it.
It tastes like, sort of like a mini Pop-Tart.
It's like Pop-Tart cereal. Exactly.
And the icing is, like, covered on both sides. See? And it has, like, the sprinkles of the strawberry. They also come in brown sugar.
Yeah.
Is
brown
it brown
sugar.
Okay. They also have those. And Pop-Tart. Apparently these were like a thing like a while ago, like a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
When we were like, maybe before we were even born, and then they got rid of them. And they just not brought them back.
Well, they have the
Don't
powdered
quote me on that.
donut, they have the powdered donut cereal.
I want to get that one.
And the next one to it, like in our store, is like the Oreo one. I remember having the Oreo one when I was a little. They had it and they brought it back, and I guess they brought a donut one too. But Three Musketeers. So I'm excited about this one. Except I don't like birthday cake. I think it's weird because most of the stuff that we got, like cereal, I don't like. Oreos, I don't like. I love chocolate, but I don't like birthday cake. Like, I love Three Musketeers. Just don't like the birthday cake. But it's okay because we're trying to find new stuff. Oh, wait for me. Okay.
I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but you can kind of see it has like blue,
Little
like
specks of like
blue
confetti. Yeah.
blue and pink.
That was pretty good. It smells like the Three Musketeers.
I'm not a Three Musketeer fan, and
Okay, when you first take a bite of it and you're chewing it, it tastes like a Three Musketeer. But when you swallow it, the leftover film in your mouth tastes like birthday cake. But it's very light, very subtle. It's not too strong. I thought it was going to be overpowering, but it's not. That's good. If you like Three Musketeers and birthday cake, I recommend this. If you have it where you live, because I know not everywhere is going to have it. So, but, because I am a chip fan. And I'm excited for this because this was pretty good.
oh, these smell like good.
I'm going to like these.
She'll probably eat all these. Looks like it's like dry rub.
It tastes like that dry rub barbecue sauce that you can get at some places.
I recommend.
If you like chips and barbecue, I can
It's
sit
not like
down.
a usual barbecue.
No, it's like
chip.
sweet.
Yeah. So excited about it, honestly, because I love pizza.
He's a pizza fan. He eats a lot of
Get a
pizza.
knife?
He eats a lot of pizza. he could eat it like every day. For me, I can eat Mexican every day.
He's jealous.
Excited.
Very,
By the
very
way, they
jealous.
have, see like right here in the green, they have a pepperoni one and they have a supreme pizza one. We different because there's a lot of toppings. So. What?
This is pretty crazy, actually.
What? Oh my gosh. What the heck?
I think what it is that I think it actually is a big piece of pepperoni. Because they say pepper. Okay, that makes sense. That's why it's called pepperoni jerky. And I guess it's just seasoned with a bunch of.
Guys, this is crazy. Take a piece of pepperoni pizza. Eat it. Then eat a piece of this. It's going to taste the exact same. Don't recommend just snacking on it like you normally do with beef jerky. But for a taste test, tastes pretty good. You like that one. But anyways, since this video is kind of short, because we thought it would just be a fun thing for this video, so I will read you what it says. I wake up in a freezing room at 7 in the morning. You get up and accidentally trip over your dog, but find your footing when you hold on to the solid wall. This is going to be a wonderful day. You crawl downstairs to the kitchen because it's time for the most important meal of the day. Breakfast. Duh! You get your Wheaties bowl and a spoon, all the proper equipment. As you pour your tasteful Sour Patch Kids cereal, they're not tasteful, it spills all over the kitchen floor and turns into a big mess. Lucky 1969 of the Sour Patch Kids still made it in the bowl. Woohoo! It's going to be a sweet day. That's a lot of Sour Patch Kids to make into your bowl. So that was a pretty good number that Justin picked, because Justin picked all these.
Yeah.
So, anyways. So, it was nice tasting all that stuff. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and join our family. Thank you for watching.